Guys, let's unbox today MX keys from Logi. It's Logitech basically. It's an amazing productive keyboard which comes up with USB-C charging option, and you can connect up to 3 computers at the same time. It can be paired via Bluetooth and you can connect 3 machines at the same time. It can be Mac, it can be Windows, or it even can be your iPad or your phone. The key ergonomics are amazing, very soft touch, very soft feel, and it has function keys for both Windows and Mac. It also comes with USB dongle, but it's up to you. You are using USB dongle or you are using via Bluetooth. The best part is that I am using MX Master mouse also, and these both need just one USB dongle. You don't need to put two dongles in any USB drive. Like, it will only consist of one USB port. So with one USB port as a USB dongle, you can connect your keyboard and mouse both. Or if you want to connect via Bluetooth, then there is no need of this USB dongle. It's a go-to keyboard and mouse for especially productivity use, office use. You can install the app also on your desktop, which will give you features to map some of the function keys with whatever functions you like. And moving from one computer to another computer is very easy. You just press 1, 2 and 3 these function keys and it will directly switch from one PC to another.